guys, it is Saturday, I don't know, the 12th or 13th, and I'm getting the Dyna Glo smoker fired up, and my wife thinks I'm out of my mind, but I have a fully cooked 5-pound turkey breast that I'm going to cut into slices and I'm going to smoke. Why smoke a fully cooked turkey breast, you might ask? Because I can. No, because I think that lightly smoked turkey breast is going to be phenomenal. I've never done this before with a fully cooked piece of meat, so to speak. So you're going to be coming along on this journey for the first time. My first time. Kato. And my dog is roughing up the duck. Kato, no. Good boy. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this into probably 3 pieces. Olive oil, a little bit of Himalayan salt, some toasted sesame, bacon chipotle. Bacon is good on everything. Ice cream, cookies, doesn't matter, it's good. And garlic. No onions. Onions and I do not get along. I get the heart attack symptoms when I eat an onion. So unfortunately, and that's actually something new. Last couple of years, I could eat onions like an apple without any side effects, but now they are not agreeing with me. So I have this tin foil pan, and I'm going to cut this out of it, the turkey that is. Drained out the majority of the juice, and we're going to cut this into thirds. And actually I'm kind of glad I'm smoking it, because it's still just a bit pink in the middle. Not much, but a little. And it's weird because the light needs to be in the right spot to see the pink. So this is definitely an experiment. So we're going to put boatloads of olive oil on this. And again, I really don't want to cook this too much because it's already pre-cooked. We're going to put some Himalayan salt on it. And there's no scientific formula here. It's just, I feel comfortable. Now the sesame seed you cannot overdo. So we're going to put that on very abundantly, as you can see. And then we're going to put on the chipotle bacon. And people keep pinging my phone. And again, that's very abundant. And then the garlic. And if you know me, you know I love garlic. This goes on anything that's consumptionable. Is that a word? Consumptionable? Okay. I started the fire in the box. And we're about we're about 200 actually in the smoker. So we're going to throw this in. And that's how much seasoning I put on it. I've got this thing for seasoning. And again, we're going to put it right about the same level as the thermometer. And I'm going to try and keep this right around 200 degrees. So now I need to wash my hands again, and we're going to let this do its thing, and we'll be back. Hey guys, it's been about 2.5 hours. I didn't want to bore you with the entire process, but I used the applewood in that cowboy hickory I try to keep a mild smoke flavor down. The smoker did get up to about 225 degrees at the highest point, but I've let it just run out. I didn't put anything extra in it because, as I said, this is already fully cooked. So we're down to about 140 degrees right now, 135, somewhere around there. And I think I want to check it out and see how this is turned out. This was kind of hands off. I really just looked at the temperature a few times, but I didn't make any adjustments, add any wood, do anything special. So let's take a look. And I hope it tastes as good as it looks. A lot of juices in the bottom. I did not flip this, not one time. Like I said, this was really hands off. I just let it do its thing. And I don't know if I mentioned it at the beginning of the video, but this was like a 5-pound turkey breast. I love smoked flavor, and in my opinion, this turned out perfect. It's got a tinge of smoke flavor, the seasoning that I put on it, and it's okay if my wife doesn't like it. I could eat the whole thing. So, as I said, this was just an experiment. And I have to admit, I'm very pleased with how this turned out. In reality, I really hope my wife likes it. That'll save a lot of grief. But I just thought I'd do this short video. And I'm actually thinking of smoking some cheese. I've got this idea for regular white milk, whole milk. And I'm thinking of making some cheese and smoking that as well. This is actually pretty juicy. So if I decide to do that, of course I'll make a video and I'll bring you guys along. You guys have a great Saturday, and we'll talk soon. Take care now.